In the previous video, you saw how Autofill automatically fills a series down a column of adjacent cells, like this. But it can also go up a column, to the right, and the left in a row. When I move the cursor over what's called the fill handle, and it turns into a black plus sign, this time I hold down the right mouse button while I drag. When I let go of the mouse button, I'm presented with a list of options. Copy cells is pretty straightforward. Autofill copies what's in the A2 cell to the adjacent cells I selected. It even works with cells containing formulas. We just copied the data from a single cell, but you can also copy multiple cells, like this. Fill series populates the adjacent cells with data that follows a pattern in the copied cells. And, as expected, the formulas update automatically. You can also fill a series with time, like this. You can even change the results of fill series by giving Excel more data to base the series on. In this example, I'm creating a series that's every half hour. Autofill has many options when creating a series based on calendar data. With dates, you can fill days, weeks, months, and years. When you're working with days of the week, you can fill in all 7 days or just weekdays. You can even create a series for quarters based on dates and based on abbreviations. And you can create a series of years.